welcome back. I am Vandana and we are learning English grammar of class 5. This is Magic Mind series by Galaxy Publication and here is a book, Pebbles of Grammar. Let's start chapter number 15, Future Simple Tense. Let's move on to let's learn. So the future simple tense is used to talk about something that will happen in the future. ये जो tense ऐसे use किया जाता है ये जानने के लिए कि क्या होने वाला है future में. The future simple tense is formed with will or shall plus base form of the verb. So इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, will या फिर shall के साथ हम verb के base form को use करते हैं. Look at the structure. So subject आएगा, फिर will या फिर shall आएगा और फिर base form आएगा verb का. Examples we can see: I shall write a letter to grandmother. You will get your bicycle tomorrow. It will rain today. We will watch the movie on TV and he will come on Monday. So ये कुछ examples दिए हैं. We use will when we are certain about something in the future. हम will तब use करते हैं जब हम किसी चीज को लेके certain होते हैं जो future में होने वाला है. We use shall with I and we. हम shall को use करते हैं I और we के साथ. Now look at these sentences. ये जो sentences हैं इन्हें देखते हैं. I am going to a hill station. मैं hill station जा रही हूँ. We are going to a hill station. हम hill station जा रहे हैं. She is going to sing a song at the party. वो song को गाने वाली है party में. So we use going to when we talk about something to do in future. हम going to तब use करते हैं जब हम किसी चीज़ की बात करते हैं, किसी ऐसे काम की बात करते हैं जो future में होने वाला है. Now let's move on to negative sentences. कैसे हम negative sentences बना सकते हैं यहाँ पे? So let's look at the structure here. Subject लिखेंगे, फिर will not या फिर shall not लिखेंगे और फिर base form लिख देंगे verb का. For example, she will not go to the birthday party. We will not play a friendly match. And he will not attend the party. तो ऐसे हमने will के साथ या फिर shall के साथ not लगा दिया. Now questions को कैसे बनाना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, will या फिर shall को starting में ले आएंगे, फिर subject लिखेंगे, फिर base form लिख देंगे verb का. Examples आप देख सकते हैं. Will it rain tomorrow? Will aunt see a doctor? Shall we have lunch in a hotel? So ऐसे जो है हम questions बना सकते हैं. So now let's move on to let's practice A exercises. Fill in the blanks with the future simple tense of the verbs given in bracket. तो यहाँ पे हमको future simple tense fill करना है in words के. So he dash a gift for me. He will buy a gift for me. Next, our dog dash at the strangers. Our dog will bark at the strangers. I dash a new house. I shall buy a new house. Fourth one, we dash kites on Basant Panchami. We will fly kites on Basant Panchami. Fifth, the dog dash our home at night. The dog will guard our home at night. Question number 6. They dash for their misbehavior. They will apologize for their misbehavior. Next, 7th. The wind dash strongly from tomorrow. The wind will blow strongly from tomorrow. So do the rest 3 questions yourself like this only. Now let's move on to B exercise, which is change the following sentences into future simple tense. इन sentences को हमें simple future tense में convert करना है. So here the first one is the doctor examines the patient. So the answer will be the doctor will examine. Examines का examine हो जाएगा the patient. Next, we go to the picnic in the Gandhi Park. So answer will be we will go to the picnic in the Gandhi Park. Next, third one, they wrote a letter to the manager. They wrote का हो जाएगा write. They will write a letter to the manager. Next, the gardener waters the plants. तो आंसर हो जाएगा the gardener will water the plants. Next, Mohan bought a new car. So the answer will be Mohan will buy a new car. So like this you have to complete this exercise. Now let's move on to activity corner. So here what you have to do, you have to work in pairs. First you write 5 things you would like to do in next few days. आपको 5 चीजें लिखनी है जो आप अगले 5 दिनों तक करने वाले हैं. Then your partner will write 5 sentences और फिर आपका पार्टनर लिखेगा 5 sentences. Match the things that you both like to do. आप दोनों चीजों को मैच करें, दोनों आंसर्स को मैच करें कि आप दोनों को क्या चीज पसंद है, आप दोनों क्या कौन सी चीज सेम करना चाहते हैं. So this you have to do yourself. With this we have completed the chapter. I hope you understood it. I'll be meeting you soon with a new video and a new chapter. Till then stay tuned and thanks for watching.